Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're on our way to pick up some gold for the car. You guys by the title already know. Yes, indeed, man, we're picking up Airride for the car. So we pieced together a kit, something that's gonna work very fine. It's gonna look so fine, right? And I honestly just can't wait. It's been quite the wait because it's been winter where we're at, so we can't really do too much during these cold months, but spring is coming, nicer weather will arrive, and it's time to start getting cracking on what we got cooking, you know, for the next car season. So I'm gonna try to get there ASAP before they close, and yeah, we got an Airride kit to pick up for the 540, so let's get to it, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait. I gotta show you guys the whole thing because this is monumental, right? I've been wanting Airride for so long, and it's something I just haven't gotten for any vehicle yet, but I do deem this car worthy. You know, we're gonna take this car places. You know, people are gonna enjoy this car. I'm gonna enjoy this car, and we're gonna put Eureka on the map with this one. So this is just a little bit of what I got coming for you guys this season. You guys have no idea, man. Let's get it.
Yoga fire! Yoga fire!
Okay.
What's up, man?
There it is. How are you?
How are you know?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. It's the gold. All right. Man, they look good too.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, they look very well designed. Not too bad. Okay. Sweet. It's good. It's got braided lines for coming out so they don't get pinched. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. So we got the kit loaded up, guys. Jeez. Crazy. It's almost like surreal, right? To actually have this thing in my hands. We got work to do. And you guys can see too, I got this kit from or through Grounded Concepts. So make sure, man, because you know they take care of me. These guys are good guys overall. They're definitely people I'd recommend. So if you guys need parts and you're in the area, man, they're not paying me to plug them, but truthfully, they're good guys and they're who I trusted to get this kit through. And yeah, now everything was seamless. They're cool. They do some social media stuff, and you do plan on, you know, getting some collaboration type stuff done. So I definitely rock with them and I recommend them. So it's Grounded Concepts, man. So we're back home with the package, but you guys know I got to give you this in pieces. So that's going to be all for this episode. Stay tuned for the further episodes for as we build the car, as whatever else we got in store comes, you know, out for the car. And yeah, man, it should be something definitely, you know, to be documented and tuned into. So I'm gonna document it. You guys know your job. Tune in, man. Y'all know what time it is. The clock is ticking. This is Jordan clocking out from Eureka. Y'all know what time it is, man. The clock is ticking. Prove 'em later.